To get started, first install the TradingView Remix AI Chart Copilot extension from the browser store. After installing it, go to the TradingView website. Next, pin the extension to your browser toolbar using the path shown on screen, so it's always within easy reach. After pinning it, go ahead and run the extension. Then log into your account to activate it fully. Once you're logged in, simply open the chart you want to analyze and enter your analysis prompt to get started.